Monitoring partner engagement on PartnerStack can give you the insights you need to optimize your partnership strategy and boost performance. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to track partner activity and analyze engagement on PartnerStack so you can make data-driven decisions and enhance your business relationships. Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll be sharing how you can get an exclusive, extended free trial of PartnerStack that's not available anywhere else. PartnerStack is a powerful platform that makes it easy to manage and track your partnerships. One of its key features is monitoring partner engagement. Engagement metrics help you measure how well your partners are performing, understand what strategies are working, and where you might need to tweak things to get better results. Now let's dive into how you can track all this. The first step is to log into your PartnerStack account and head straight to the Partners tab. This is where you can see an overview of all your active partners. You'll find valuable insights into their activity right here, such as the number of signups, deals, or referrals they've brought in. You can filter your partners based on their activity level, and that's essential for identifying your top performers versus those who may need more support. Once you're inside the Partners tab, look for the Engagement section. This is where you can track the metrics that show how partners are interacting with your offerings. You can track clicks, conversions, and even the actions taken by individual partners. If you've set up goals for your partners, such as referral milestones, PartnerStack will automatically display their progress toward those goals. This data helps you monitor engagement at a granular level. But what if you need to dive deeper into individual partner activity? No problem. PartnerStack lets you drill down into each partner's profile. This includes seeing the exact actions they've taken, what links they've clicked on, how much traffic they've driven, and even which campaigns are performing best. These insights help you determine what's driving engagement and where your partners are excelling. You'll also be able to spot underperforming areas, so you can step in with tailored support to boost engagement. Another way to monitor partner engagement is by setting up automated reports. PartnerStack allows you to schedule regular reports that are sent directly to your inbox, making it easy to track your partner's progress without having to constantly check the dashboard. You can customize these reports to focus on the key metrics that matter most to your business, whether it's conversion rates, commissions, or any other performance indicator. One powerful tool inside PartnerStack for monitoring partner engagement is the leaderboard feature. This is a competitive feature that displays how your partners stack up against each other in terms of performance. You can use this to gamify engagement, encouraging your partners to perform better to climb higher on the leaderboard. It's a great way to foster healthy competition and inspire your partners to drive more value. To make the most of these features, make sure to engage with your partners regularly. Monitoring partner engagement on PartnerStack is not just about looking at data, but about using that data to fuel meaningful conversations with your partners. You can offer feedback, recognize top performers, or provide support to those who need it. The more you interact, the stronger your partnerships will become. If you're new to PartnerStack or just looking to optimize your strategy, remember that you can start using the platform for free from the first link in the description below. And when you sign up using that link, you'll also get access to our exclusive bonuses, including a free extended trial that lets you explore all the features without any commitment. So, to sum up, by tracking partner activity, leveraging reports, diving deep into individual partner profiles, and using features like the leaderboard, you can really stay on top of partner engagement. Keep monitoring and optimizing, and you'll build stronger, more successful partnerships over time. Make sure you check the link below for your exclusive extended free trial and start monitoring partner engagement today with PartnerStack.